Hello and welcome, guys. Thank you so much for being here again. This is Mustapha speaking, MrFulltime.com. So, in the previous videos, we went through the basic things in domaining. Again, in the last two videos, we went through our first section, which is how and where to find some great domain names. So, today, again, we'll go with the same section, but with our third website, which is Looka.com. So today we'll be talking about how to find some great brand and domain name on this website, which is again Looka.com. So let's go. As always, we'll just go to our browser and type in Looka.com simply. And here is the homepage of the website. So as you can see, here are many options, but we are looking for a name generator. So we'll just go to the bottom of the website. And here we go. Just click business name generator. It will open in the new tab. So you just write here your main keyword, for example, food. Let's keep it with any length of characters. So we'll just click here and make the searches. As you can see here, there are already some suggestions here. As you can see, for the city, for example, we'll click here, and this website is very simple. It shows you directly, like if the domain name is available, if there is some monthly search volume on these keywords, how many syllables. That's why I like this website. Even you can click pronouns
For the city.
for the city, as you can see.
Foodacity.
Yeah. So you can just check here. As you can see, it's not available. .ca for Canada is available. .co, .co.uk, and so on. .io. They are all available, but .com, which is what we are looking for, is taken already. So we will go with other suggestions. So we have here Better Foods. I'm sure it's not available again. As you can see, it's not available. So we'll just close this and go with Producera. Let's check. No, it's not. Again, we go with some related green grow foods, for example. Yeah, it's taken as well. So again, Zin Foods, I'm sure it's taken. Yeah, Fresh Findings. Fresh Findings taken. 8 I'm sure it's taken. It's taken. As you can see, yeah. Okay, we'll click see more. Click see more. Remedy Restaurant, for example. Yeah, taken. Angry Help. Okay, taken. Sweet snacks. It will be taken as well. So again, because this is like strong keyword, so most of keywords are already taken. So we'll go with something like meals as example. Okay, let's check again. Il feed, I'm sure it's taken. Yeah. Meals, atheist. It's taken as well. Clench, Midway. Anyway, you just Kitchensley. I think it's taken. Yeah. Otherwise, if you are looking for anything in any industry, you can just go down and just click generate, as you can see here, without any keywords. So we just go down and just check here if you want to get some ideas from here. Otherwise, you can go by industry. For example, let's see something like, as example, academy. So for example, Wisdom Academy, I'm sure it's taken. Bold Academy, I'm sure it's taken. Skyline Success Standard Academy, New Life Academy, I'm sure it's taken. It's taken as well. Yeah, New Life Academy.co. So you can just go with all this. For example, you can check even this short names. It's calling, for example, this is brandable. As you can see, it's available here with the 3 syllables and low search volume, because it's not a dictionary word, it's not an exact match, so there is no search volume. So again, you can go and check Scholora. I think this one will be taken because it's a great one. Yeah, it's taken, as we said. Okay, Schoolline, I think it's taken as well because, yeah, it includes school and line, 2 strong keywords. Yeah, it's taken as well. So at least we got one, even it's not like strong one, but it's okay. We can make a website or a brand name with it. lschooling.com, for example. School0. Yeah, it's available. You can just click register. Otherwise, you can just take it like this. Just copy, just paste your domain name here to double check if it's available or no. Yeah, it's available. So School0, as we said, you can just go and click pronouns.
School0.
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 Yeah, it's a great brand name, very short, and we just added like 3 letters after schools. So yeah, you can just go with all options right here and just make some searches here. They suggest you some other related terms here and keywords. So you can just check one by one. It's a great website as well. I'm using to find some great brand and domain name for myself or for my clients. But even I find that domain name is available, I just go with other steps. So that's what we will see in our next videos. So if you want like to be sure that your brand or domain name is great to use, you just have to follow our videos one by one. Just watch our previous videos, then wait for our next videos. Just stay tuned. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got some value again from this video. If you have any questions or any doubts, just connect with me. I have all my social media accounts in the description, my website. Get in touch with me. I will try to answer all your questions. Just feel free to reach out to me. So that's it for today. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. See you in the next video. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.